So this is the HUBSCRUB, arrived in the country late last year. We've been running it since about February this year. It's basically an automated, easy to use medical equipment cleaning system. So at the start of the day, all we do is come over, turn on the water, runs off, it's got an independent infinity system hot water, same as at home. Turn on the power, then we come over here, flick on the main power and set it up for its first wash. So the first time it's turned on, of course, you've got to make your cleaning choices. So it's just simply press the button, pick what we want. We'll have a normal wash. Then you make your disinfectant choices. Usually what we do here is clean and disinfect with UV. And then basically start. Yeah, it just fills, mixes the chemicals, then it does the washing and then the draining and then the rinsing, and then the last cycle is about a 2.5 minute UV treatment. It's got quite a reflective inside, so the UV treatment, it bounces the UV light all over the place and gives you a very effective, consistent cleaning regime, particularly for your toileting, bathroom equipment, which is basically what we use it for. At the completion of the wash, which again we use the medium one, 9 minutes, we unload the machine, load it back up, hit start again. Simple as that. So that's the end of the process and how we use the HUBSCRUB.